Hong Kong stocks may continue their retreat after falling for the first day in 5 years today. Stocks editor Richard Frost joins me now from Hong Kong. Richard, take us through the movers. Sinoland, best performing property stock in Hong Kong this year. Is that likely to be persist? Will that likely persist? Is it likely to remain stellar?
Hi, Haz. Certainly based on their results, their full-year results, which they announced yesterday, that could well continue. They reported a 6.7% increase in full-year profit to 3.6 billion Hong Kong dollars. That was above the 3.29 billion forecast by analysts in a Bloomberg survey. So, you know, beating forecasts, and with home prices having risen 23% this year, erasing last year's decline, and Chung Kong, executive director, yesterday saying those gains could be sustained on ample liquidity and low interest rates, then certainly at the moment the future seems positive for them, at least in the short term. In terms of another stock sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I just going to say one other stock in the news today would be China Unicom. Goldman Sachs raised their target of buy from neutral, and also its target price by 34%. Some new services, WCDMA services, they're unrolling in cities across China. They said is likely to boost the markets, the company's market share.
Of course, we're also tracking Henderson Land. Its chairman, Lee Shao-kee, made his forecast for the Hang Seng's end-of-the-year performance. Do you think people will listen to him?
Well, Haz, I mean, this guy is known as the god of stocks. I'm not quite sure how you get that moniker. I think being a billionaire property developer probably helps. But he's not shy on giving a very strong forecast for the market. He said that at the end of the year, the market could rise to some 23 to 25,000 points. It's currently trading around 2850. At this time last year, he made a similar forecast of 23,000. If you listened to him then, you wouldn't have done very well, as the market ended up about 14,800. However, he does sometimes get it right. Back in April, when the level was still trading around the 14,000 level, he said that were credit markets globally to return to normal, the market would recover to around 20,000, which is, of course, where we are. So we'll see this time if he's right. But he does have a certain following in Hong Kong.
I wouldn't dare not listen to the god of stocks. Richard, thank you so much for that.